Every great aircraft begins with extraordinary engineering. Inside this factory, precision and innovation.
Thousands of precision operations work together in perfect synchronization, where every micron matters.
Only the highest grade aerospace alloys can withstand the immense temperatures and forces inside a jet engine. Computer-controlled machining creates components with astonishing accuracy, measured in thousandths of a millimeter. Each blade is engineered for maximum efficiency, balancing strength, weight, and aerodynamic performance.
Automation ensures consistency beyond human capability, producing joints built for decades of service.
Every rotating stage must align perfectly to maximize airflow and efficiency. The combustion chamber transforms fuel into the immense energy that powers global aviation.
Extreme temperatures demand extraordinary engineering, where every component is built to endure.
Before moving forward, every measurement is verified to ensure uncompromising aerospace standards.
Even the smallest imbalance can affect performance. Advanced calibration systems ensure every rotating component operates with extraordinary precision.
Thousands of precision-engineered components now become one integrated power plant, built to perform flawlessly under the world's toughest aviation conditions. Before leaving the factory, every engine must prove its reliability through exhaustive testing that simulates real flight conditions. After passing every inspection, the engine is certified and prepared for delivery to aircraft manufacturers around the world. From raw aerospace alloys to one of the world's most advanced jet engines, every stage reflects the